Hi, let's take a walk. This is Dowlat Abad Garden. It's one other tourist attraction. You will visit it if you come to Yazd, and I'll be showing you around. It's a garden that contains the tallest wind tower in the world. It's a very beautiful place. Hi, gardener. So the trees on the left are pomegranate because it's fall, they're dried out. The other ones on the right, if you get to see them, are olive trees. And that's a tower, guarding tower. Oh my God, the fall is beautiful here. I visited the place in a quiet hour, not too many people. It's an orange tree. And the pool in front of the place, and there's the wind tower. The sound of water and birds and the music, it was amazing. I have another video for the inside of the building. I will put it in the channel as well. Hey kiddo. And that's another building, the other end. We will visit it. Yeah, some people here taking pictures and stuff. A lot of couples here today. It's weird. And yeah, that's a kind of a coffee shop. But so you will be served on these tables here. Very cool place. The doors and the windows, wooden, great looking. Yeah, and these are grape trees. Yeah, grape. The lanterns on the wall, they're very cool, if you notice them. I should come here at night as well. Should be great. I'm just imagining the garden in the spring. That's another level of beauty. Okay, pretend like I just didn't cut the video and everything's normal. Okay, we're gonna walk through the water into the end I'm gonna fast forward in case you are bored. So there you go. We're gonna pause to see the lanterns. There's one. Focus on them. And let's keep going. There it is. Hi ladies. And yes, that's the building in the end. It wasn't open to visit, so that's all I got. Thanks for the support. Comment me if you want anything in the next video. And yeah, that's all.